Hey, Jamie.
Hey.
We're hanging out in the Skyline Lounge. Want to join?
Yes.
Yeah, you do. Come on.
I moved to Nashville on my own for grad school, and I didn't want to feel isolated. Shared living gave me instant community, ongoing event offerings, and built-in people to hang out with when I'm not studying. Plus, having designated co-working spaces, the gym, and the pool right here makes everyday life easy. I love it here.
I work downtown, so I wanted a place that was close by without being in the middle of everything. The shared living here at Westerly House just works. My bedroom, bathroom, and closet all come with their own thermostat and smart lock technology. So I get an easy commute, smart technology that actually makes my life better, and a place to relax when I come home from a hard day of work.
My work schedule is busy, so convenience matters. My room is fully furnished, so are the shared spaces, so I don't have to worry about any of the essentials. Utilities are handled, and common area cleaning is included, so I just get to focus on rest and work and not worry about the details.
Different schedules,
Different goals.
One place that just works.